That's why entries are so important, because now that we're back in this general area, I'm already up 8%. I have a call level on AMD that's 157. Right now, I'm just looking at the higher time frames, making sure it all lines up perfectly, which so far the 15 minutes has my favorite pattern on there called the bullish continuation pattern. So far, we got a nice break on a 3-minute time frame. Volume is kicking in here pretty strongly, so that's really important to watch for, guys. You got to make sure the volume is actually lining up with what you're looking at. Market is pushing up here as far as NVIDIA, SPX, and SPY, so that's also good news too. And I do have my calls open. 157.5 is open. I don't want to chase, because back then in life, I used to enter now. I used to just enter right when we get a break for a quick scalp, but that's not as reliable, because what could happen is this. See, if I enter now, maybe I'll be up like, I don't know, 8-10%, which is what I usually like to take, going for $500, take a 10% gain, $50 gain. But I stopped doing that because now I like for the market to actually come down a little bit, retest, and get a nice contract entry. So right now, contracts are going for 170. If it drops down a tad bit, maybe to like 156.83, contracts might go for like 150, 140. So at least like a $30 difference, which would be nice. And that's what we're looking for. Right now, I'm going to look at the level 2, make sure that there's some contracts for buyers trying to get in. So we're going to go in for one contract for 152. Contracts drop here pretty nicely. What I do like is that we generally retest this general area. You guys can see the contracts are right here. Got in for 152. That's why entries are so important, because now that we're back in this general area, I'm already up 8%, which is really important. I always talk about in my Discord that, guys, you guys have to have better entries. Entries are very vital and important. I do like this hammer type candle so far. We're about 10% gains, guys. Let's fucking go. This is what I usually look for. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is a real nice trade right here. Very simple. 19%, guys. We're about to hit 20% here soon. NVIDIA is going to hit a resistance as well. So I am going to probably collect here. Actually, I am going to collect it. Not probably. I am. I hope you guys can learn from this. So the breakdown was this. On a 3-minute time frame, we broke real nicely with strong volume, strong buyer volume. You guys can see the volume was creeping in pretty strongly. I entered down on a dip of this retest in this general area. The reason why I entered here is because in this general area was some decent support, as well as it was even this most recent candle too. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to enter here, because entries are vital and very important to how you get the best contract in your favor, the best position and entry in your favor. So I entered there. Ended up doing a nice hammer candle, which is probably my favorite, to show you that bulls do want to step in here pretty strong, as well as if you guys just watch my most recent candlestick reversal candles, or even just continuation bullish candles, you guys will understand that this right here specifically is called a bullish continuation. Reason being is because you get a big strong buyer, long wick to downside, indicating that buyers do want to step in. Another small sell-off candle, which isn't really anything, and an overall buyers step in again to take control. So that is my favorite candlestick type pattern, and guys, we freaking got that. Real simple trade, and we got 20% gain on this trade. Now on the 5 minutes and 15 minutes and 30 minutes, it all looks good too. Let me show you guys real quick to show you guys why I also entered. So mind you, I just showed you guys that bullish continuation pattern. Look at what happened right here on the 15 minutes too as well. The higher the time frame, the stronger the move. So on the higher time frame, you guys see a nice bullish candle, sell-off candle inside this bullish candle, which indicates that it's small sell-off, really not that strong for 30 minutes of time. Then you get a nice bull candle, which completely breaks above all these candle closes, and there we are, pushing real strong. So higher time frame setup also looked really good in my favor, so I decided to enter. 5-minute time frame, you guys can see a nice little break of this level called the calls 157 area. 5-minute breakout, 5-minute retest candle with a nice hammer, and most likely we're going to continue on up. Now, I couldn't hold for the price target because not sure what's going to happen. SPY's around all-time highs. NVIDIA's at a rejection level. I'll collect my 20%. I'm not too mad. It's really nice. So hope you guys enjoyed that one. Hope you guys understand that, and hope you guys got a lot of education out of that.